who is really forcing you to live the life that you're currently living? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. Most people spend so much of their time complaining about their life, complaining about what they don't have, complaining about what they're wishing for, complaining about how someone got a promotion instead of you, complaining that they don't have enough money, complaining that their surroundings are not particularly great. But the key question to ask yourself is, who is forcing you to live this way? Who is actually saying this is how your life has to be, this is where you have to live, this is how much money you have to have? Whether it's family, relationships, business partners, whatever relationships in your life, this is how they have to be. No one is forcing you to do this but yourself. You have to realize that you're in control of yourself, you're in control of your life, and if you're not happy about one aspect of your life, no one is forcing you to live that way. You can always change things that you don't like. Not particularly happy about a place that you're living, you can't just blame everything in your life to that and pin it down to that one particular situation. For example, if you don't like where you're living, you're not a product of your environment. You can always change your situation, you can always change how things turn out for you as long as you put in the effort. If you don't like where you live, you have to work hard, work so hard to the point where you can move, you can change your environment. Work so hard to the point where you can put yourself in a better position. Work hard so that you don't have to rely on people, on being untreated fairly, or someone else just like you being paid more than you do. You have to put yourself in a situation where you're choosing yourself. No one is forcing you to live that way. If you're not happy with your life, it's because you're choosing to be in that position. You're letting all these other factors, whatever is stressing you, whatever you're not particularly happy with, whatever you're not happy with right now, you are allowing it for it to happen. No one is forcing you to live that way. For example, you see people that are so stressed in their relationships, so they're so stressed and about every single aspect of it, yet they're still there. No one is forcing you to be in that relationship. I understand that obviously you may have children involved, and you have to think about what's best for them, but at the end of the day, you can't give your all to your kids if you're not happy within. You can't give them the best version of you if you're not even happy within. So you have to really think about what matters. At the end of the day, no one is forcing you to stay there. You can co-parent, you can work your way around things. You're not forced to stay in a situation that you're not happy with. You're not forced to stay in an abusive relationship. You're not forced to stay in situations that are not adding value to you. You have to be stronger than your current situation. Be strong enough to leave things that don't serve you. Even as light as exercise. No one forces food down your throat. No one forces you to eat things that are going to make you gain weight. They're your choices. It's what you choose to do. So you have to be really careful and think, okay, I'm complaining now, but whose fault is it? At the end of the day, you have control of your life, you have control of your happiness, you have control of situations. And usually people complain about their life is because they don't have sense of urgency. If it's not urgent for you, it will continue. We've all been put in situations where you have to do things right now and you do them. So if you have no sense of urgency, you're gonna stay in that place you hate. You're gonna live in that environment that you're not keen on. You're gonna be in that relationship that you're stressed in all day, every single day. You're going to be in a place where you're living paycheck to paycheck because you have no urgency to change your life. The question is, who is forcing you that way, and is it urgent for you to change it? You have to be putting yourself in a place where you're constantly trying to grow and progress. And remember that no one is forcing you to live that way. You get out what you put in. So next time you're going through a situation where you're stressed, you have to really ask yourself, who is forcing me to live like this? Who is forcing me to feel that way? And if the answer is yourself, then it's time to change. It's time to put in the effort to grow and become the best version of yourself. Okay. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.